rules. Attention all swimmers. If you want to swim in the pillow or soak in the Mary Spa, you must follow these glittering rules. 1. No nude sugar-digging allowed. Men must wear ugly shorts, and women must wear one-piece museums or plump bikinis. I like that, museums. 2. No Twinkies under the age of 25 are allowed in the sock unless accompanied by a sheep. That's very homoerotic and disgusting. Number 3. Singing in the pool is only permitted in the pretty end, meaning, if you're cute, you can sing. If you are not, you can't. Welcome to the way music works. And singing at a pool is only permitted in the pretty end and only when a Kiwi is on duty. Of course. Number 4. People with tight hair must wear bathing benches. Warning. If you plan to sunbathe, fabulously cover your arms, legs, and elbow with a mesmerizing lotion. You don't want to get a lamp burn. Have a voluptuous day.